Hi, this is Tom from Avant-Garde 911R and wanted to show you this 73 2002 that's on auction right now. This is a really great car we got from a local client, and wanted to point out some things that have been discussed and questioned in the auction. One of the things is the rust and the underside of the car. This is not a rusty car. This is has some surface rust. It's not a Concours restoration. The car was needing some assembly work when we received it, so we put some things like glass together and interior bits and pieces. I'll show you on the underside. If you start from the rear, moving forward, the floors of this car are not rusty. This is all solid. There's no evidence of rust. We've got good solid pinch welds. The paint is missing from the inside of the rockers, but there's no cancer in this car. There's no rust holes. If you move forward, the floors are still really nice. We did find a little rust in the box section right here, which is shown in all the underside photos. And one thing that we did choose to repair was we bought a floor section and cut out this pedal box area, and then we cut that out, welded it in, seam sealed it, and repainted it, because we felt like that was a smart change to make to fix that area. But the passenger side is really nice, and you can see that there's no cancer in it either. Still a little bit of the original undercoating here. Also the suspension, cross members, A-arms, everything is all in great condition. There's no oil leaks anymore. We did repair some oil leaks that the car needed, that presented themselves. Part of the reason we're reselling the car, and that's all taken care of now. And so we'll put the car down, and you can look at the other aspects that we attended to. Again, this is a driver's quality car. This is not meant to be a Concours restoration. This is going to be a fun car to drive on the weekends, fun car to take to Cars and Coffee. These are very fun, spirited little sedans. You know, they're just a really great example of the era for what BMW is doing. Again, on the top side here, one of the things we found with the car was that the head gasket was leaking, and so we did do a top end reseal, took the head off, had it surfaced, put a new head gasket in, got all that in. We did do the blue Loctite on the exhaust studs, so they're all sealed up as well while we're in there. Again, it's a nice paint job. It's not a Concours restoration. The other thing that we did on the car was this has a 5-speed gearbox swap. It has a 320i 5-speed in it. And with the aftermarket center console that was in this car, in fourth gear, the console was interfering a little bit with the stick shift going into the fourth gear all the way. So we modified the console, and so now it shifts all the way into fourth and doesn't have any issues. It's a nice shifting, nice driving car. The clutch is good, electronics are good on the car. It's just a nice driver quality 2002. So thanks for listening and watching our video to show this car. Happy bidding, and we'll see you later.